up, everybody? It's your boy King23Kicks, back in the building, back in the castle. Finna drop it for y'all. Welcome to another edition of Sneaker Cleaning Sunday. And today, we're doing things a little different, so you guys know that I have paid promotion with my GOAT Shoe Care Official. But today, I got sent some products from Simple Shine. So with Simple Shine, we're gonna test you guys out and see what they're working with, see what they're all about. While I'm doing this, you know what I'm saying, make sure that you guys like, comment, subscribe to the channel. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate everybody that's been rocking with me and pulling up on my Soul Center, you know what I'm saying, by the Sneakerhead Podcast Network. Water stain repellent. So they sent me a couple of these things. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna try the products out on my Air Max here. And we're gonna see what these guys are working with. So now my Air Max, they're not that bad. So for clean purposes, I mean, we do have some good mud stains and stuff like that. They do need to be cleaned. I do have some mud on the back of them right there. So we're gonna try their products out here. So here with this, like we say, we have the water stain repellent. Of course, we're gonna add that after the fact. Simple Shine removes dirt, grime, sweat, salt. Premium shoe cleaning kit. This kit comes with a cleanser, brush, and cloths. So it's a 4-ounce cleaning solution and 2 microfiber cloths, which is interesting because usually you only get 1 microfiber cloth with cleaning kits. So let's see what they do. All right. So these are the microfiber cloths. Your luxury footwear accessories looking fantastic. So one thing about it, Simple Shine Shoe Care, they have a polished brush set, a liquid shoe polish, water and stain repellent, shiny sponge, leather cleaner, suede brushes, and leather conditioner. So they have all kinds of things here. So spray solution directly onto shoe using either a dampened microfiber cloth or a hog hair bristle brush. Scrub the shoe using a back and forth motion. Or method 2, dip brush into bowl of warm water, unscrew and spray liberal amount on the solution and then scrub them. Allow to air dry. So this is gonna be, there's more in there. Oh, the brush. So you have the brush, Simple Shine, which is their logo. I don't even know if I'm holding it up right. I guess this way is the way that I'm doing it. So that is their logo. Then you have 2 microfiber towels, which I think is pretty cool because I feel like you can never have enough microfiber towels. So let me set that to the side. So this is the solution, which is the shoe cleaner. Premium shoe cleaner that works. So according to this, I am supposed to spray this on the shoe and then hit it with the brush.
Okay.
will say this. It definitely got it clean, as you can see. Um, and it got the back clean. And it actually got the knit part clean too. So I would say this. This is pretty good. I would definitely use this as far as like a travel. You know what I'm saying? If I want to do, if I'm going to do some traveling, this is something that I would definitely throw in my travel bag for my shoes, man. So the next thing that I want to do, let me go ahead and get this little front piece here that hadn't been done. Yeah, pretty dope. Pretty dope. I thumbs up with it. This is Castle approved. I have to say so. So the next thing I want to do is I'm going to try the water stain repellent. So I'm going to put this on the shoe, especially the toe box area, because y'all know how these Air Max are with this knit and that ballistic stuff and all that. You want to make sure that stuff doesn't get stained, because once it gets stained, it's a wrap. So I'm gonna use a water stain repellent. So let me see, is this one of these ones? Yeah. So I'm gonna spray it on here. It says wait 30 minutes. So until then, I'll be right back. All right. All right, I'm back. So I actually tested it out, as you guys seen. You know what I'm saying? It's definitely waterproof. Everything came out pretty good, pretty awesome. My expectations, honestly, I didn't know what to expect. It was just one of those things. You know what I'm saying? I had never heard of Simple Shine. They reached out to me. I actually greatly appreciate you guys reaching out to me. You know what I'm saying? They're actually pretty good. Would I go with Simple Shine? Definitely. You know what I'm saying? This is one of these ones I would actually keep in my bag as I travel, you know what I'm saying? Or, I mean, even just, because it's just hitting it real good. I like the fact that it just doesn't get that messy. I mean, you have the water stain repellent, which is definitely working. Simple Shine shoe cleaner. I like the fact that you can actually spray this on. So you can kind of spot clean too if you need to, or if you need to do the whole thing, like you say, just hit it in water, spray it on there, and then, you know what I'm saying, go ahead and clean it that way. So, you guys check them out, simpleshine.com. I definitely recommend them, and they are crown worthy, man. You know what I'm saying? No cap. So y'all comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys ever tried this, you know what I'm saying, let me know what are your guys' opinions on it. And if you do happen to grab some, come back and comment down below and let me know, you know what I'm saying, how to work out for you. I don't have a discount code. Maybe I'll get one in the future. I don't know if you guys are watching Simple Shine. Here's your video. I'm just saying, let me get a discount code. So we can get you guys some more business. I definitely would recommend them. But there it is. That's another edition of Sneaker Cleaning Sunday. I greatly appreciate y'all. You know what I'm saying? It's early in the morning. Thank y'all for those who did pull up last night. You know what I'm saying? Check me out on Soul Center. appreciate you guys for checking me out, you know what I'm saying, for tuning in. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, share, tell a friend. Hey man, we're on the road to 1K and we need like less than 200 people. So make sure that you tell a friend of a friend of a cousin of a brother, you know what I'm saying. Subscribe to the channel. So I appreciate y'all for coming in, tuning in. To all my kings, stand up, and all my queens, make sure you stand beside your king. And always, always, always remember, it's always the right time to do the right thing. Peace. So, did brush into warm water. So I'm thinking this is more like a spot clean, which actually kind of works out because I'm just gonna spot clean. So So, would I go with Super Shine? Yeah. Simple Shine. My goodness. My bad.